The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.
An Atlanta judge orders President Obama to show up in court in Georgia. Several people in metro Atlanta sued the president to keep him off the election ballot. It is not the first time a lawsuit has questioned the president's citizenship. But it would be the first time a judge orders the president to actually show up. Well, tonight, CBS Atlanta's Katie Brace talked with one of the men who questions the president's right to hold office.
Well, out of all the lawsuits to keep the president off the ballot, this one has gone the furthest. In this case, the judge subpoenaed the president, and the judge ordered President Obama to be here next week. If several people have their way, President Obama's name will not appear on Georgia's March primary ballot. Their efforts received a big boost Friday.
Well, it's a huge deal.
Carl Swenson is the head of Clayton County's Republican Party. He is also part of one of several lawsuits trying to keep the president off the state ballot.
Is he eligible to be on the ballot constitutionally?
Swenson is not part of the lawsuit ruled on Friday. This complaint claims Mr. Obama is not a natural-born citizen and cannot be president. A judge gave it some merit by ordering the president to appear in court.
This sends a signal to the defense counsel right now that he's going to have to comply with the rules and regulations of the state of Georgia.
Do you know what happens when Republicans are forced to run on the issues? Democrats win. That's why Georgia Republicans are filing frivolous lawsuits attempting to remove the President of the United States from Georgia's ballot.
Georgia's Democratic Party did not have a comment on the ruling, but they already have this webpage dedicated to the legal challenges. The Democrats say while the lawsuits are frivolous, they still require a vigorous defense. Party members point out past lawsuits failed on merit. Swenson says those lawsuits were federal cases. These are state lawsuits.
And this has nothing to do with his first term of presidency. This has to do with his wanting to be on our ballot.
The Obama campaign also does not have a comment on the ruling tonight. An administrative judge is set to hold the hearing next Thursday, but don't expect President Obama to be there. Several people, Democrats and Republicans, tell me tonight there are several laws enabling the president not to attend legally. We're live in Atlanta. Katie Brace, CBS Atlanta News.
The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.